If it's the best fit for you, then great, let's move forward and figure out how to be successful. But you want to make sure that you're clear on what those weaknesses of the software are, and you want to be clear that it is indeed the right system for you. And the best way to do that is to objectively and independently evaluate S/4HANA against your needs when compared to other ERP systems in the marketplace. The second thing you can do to be successful is to make sure that your team is aligned, starting at the executive level and working your way down to the project team and all of the rest of the stakeholders and employees within your organization. You want to make sure you're all aligned, rowing in the same direction, headed in the same direction. And what I mean by that is not just being aligned on whether or not we're going to implement S/4HANA or if we're going to implement it in the cloud or on-premise or whatever the case may be, but more importantly, what do our business processes need to look like in the future? How are we going to leverage the technology to enable those business processes? And where do we need to customize to perhaps shore up or address any of the deficiencies that we see in the system? So those are some of the examples of things that you need to do to make sure you're aligned. And if you're aligned as an organization, that's going to get you a lot further than your counterparts that may not be well aligned. A third thing that you can do to be successful is to really focus on change management. And S/4HANA, with all its bells and whistles, can be very enticing, and it can be easy to go down a bunch of rabbit holes of technological capabilities and new features and enhancements.